That just hurts me to see that. Would you just look at it? God damn. Hey.
Sad day.
What we doing?
It's time to cause some destruction, brother.
What we doing? But look what we got over there. Look, we got over a little AMD. Little AMD that's going on to the drop guac. We gotta fix that dent, y'all. We gotta fix that dent. And I ain't no body guy, but I'm pretty sure a new hood will fix that dent. Sid.
Let's fix that dent.
Let's fix that dent. Cause this thing need a little bit of makeover, a little bit of a twist. Guys, what is up? Welcome back to the channel. I'm here with my boy Sid. We gonna take care of this hood, Sid.
We got to, brother.
We gonna take care of this hood because we was rolling last night. Well, yesterday I should say. It was gorgeous out. We had the top down. We was on the strip, and all I could see is this damn dent in my hood. All I could see was the dent in the hood. And then when we stopped, Sid, and everybody's looking at the car, and I'm just like, man, that is ugly. So we had to go AMD, guys. I don't know if you guys know, but I'm a big AMD fan because they do not only do sheet metal, they do glass too. So if you guys have not seen some of my videos, go back and check those out on the glass install. But Sid, I think, should we open this thing up?
Let's open it up, brother.
We're gonna open this thing up real quick, slap it on the car, and I'm gonna try something that I really never really tried before in a sense, with two different hoods, and see if we can get this hood to line up correctly. We'll find out. We're gonna use some masking tape. Long story short, it's not rocket science. But let's open this thing up real quick. I don't know what it is, but just it looks like, what is it, like, what'd you peel off of there? Some
it was actually glue.
It looks like some goddamn, I don't know what it is. I think that
little shipping tape glue stuff.
Oh yeah, we're gonna have to get some gooby gone or something, or maybe get this stuff up, guys. But AMD, shout out to AMD for, they packaged the hell out these corners, man. I was really nervous about that, but they did their thing. It looks good. All satin black, ready for paint. Said now we gotta do the hard part, dog, and get this old one off.
Mask it up. Get it
Oh,
on.
yeah. Let's see. Pop the hood. Come on. Pop the hood. We got a 2JZ under here. Probably not.
Where's it at?
It's this one right here.
Oh, okay.
I don't know what it is, but just it looks like, what is it, like, what'd you peel off of there? Some
It was actually glue.
it looks like some goddamn, I don't know what it is. I think that
little shipping tape glue stuff.
Oh yeah, we're gonna have to get some gooby gone or something, or maybe get this stuff up, guys. But AMD, shout out to AMD for, they packaged the hell out these corners, man. I was really nervous about that, but they did their thing. It looks good. All satin black, ready for paint. Said now we gotta do the hard part, dog, and get this old one off.
Mask it up. Get it
Oh
on.
yeah. Let's see. Pop the hood. Come on. Pop the hood. We got that out towards you.
Oh, yeah, look, dog. Hey, A-bodies are not my thing. Not yet.
Woo, that ain't no 2JZ, but she a little dusty. Yeah, she might need some love too, man. We got to detail this thing up too.
She ran like a champ.
She running good though, but she is dirty. Okay. What we got up in here? Okay. All right. Let me put some tape down real quick and see if this little idea I got might.
Put some paper down.
Put some paper down, will it? All that dog duty on back. All right, let's see. Oh, look at the damage though. So I don't know if you guys know the story though, but a Cali trip, all of that is still underneath here. From that there, long story short, we lost the fan blade. Shot right through there, ended up damn near through the hood, and we ended up on the side of the road. But yeah. Let's hide that hole right there. You guys don't see that. So this is kind of what we got going on, guys. Sid is going ahead and we're gonna try to color this little seam. Like I don't know if this is gonna, how well this is gonna work, guys. So take this with a grain of salt. We're basically coloring this entire seam with that Sharpie, and then we'll flip the tape back over when we take the hood off, and then when we put the new hood on, we'll flip it back over, and wherever that Sharpie mark is at that Sid is coloring, we know that's our gap more or less, and where the tape has to be on the hood. So like I said, we'll see how well it works. So you'll see at the end of the video obviously how well that's going to work for us. And yeah, I mean, you just got to experiment sometimes. Oh no, hell no. I will say that that's the one thing I absolutely hate. Body and paint. You can have body and paint, Sid. I'm just
I'll stick to interior, bro.
I'm not very good with body and paint, I'm just saying. So this is hence why once we get this hood on, it's going off to body and paint so we can get it painted up too. So, and you know what I just did is, as well, guys, I ordered some hood pins for it. We're gonna put some hood pins on it as well, but that will be on a different video. If you guys are interested in that, make sure you guys hit the subscribe button though. That's it. Arts and crafts. Let me see if I can find another marker so I can help you out on this side so we can get this thing off. All right, y'all, so we got the tape peeled back. Like I said, this is very, very raw. Trial and error. We'll see how that works out for us, but like I said, you need two people for this. You definitely need two people for this. I mean, especially with these old, big old steel hoods.
Heavy hoods.
Heavy Chevy hoods. We're not working on no Subarus here, I'm just saying. So we got to put the camera down, and then we got to get this hood off real quick, slap the new one on, and then we'll see what it looks like. I'm excited. You ready?
Let's do it, man.
Let's do it. Well, y'all, I think that was all me. Look at what I did. Oh no, damn, Gina. Oh my God. So
Players mess up.
yeah, the tape didn't really work. It didn't really help. I mean, it kind of was a guide, but not really. We should have just flapped. I should have just flapped this over like this and actually protect the edges when you're moving that hood around and trying to gap it correctly. But yeah, so long story short, tape didn't work. But look at I'm impressed, Sid, like,
too, brother,
for not being no body man. And I will say this though, the car definitely helped, because I feel like this car has never been taken apart, so it looks like it's pretty factory as far as the hood alignment goes. So it wasn't really hard to get it. Like, look at that. I mean, look at this side here. I mean, it ain't perfect. It is an aftermarket hood, by the way. I mean, it's not bad. I mean, it's like I said, I told Sid, I'm like, bro, this looks better than the black Chevelle.
Yeah, it does.
It looks a lot better than the black Chevelle shit. Look, I mean, look at that gap. I don't know if well you can see. Here it said peel that off real quick so we can see. Yeah. Ooh, he looks even better than that. You can really see it too because of the black and the green. The contrast between the two. That looks pretty good, y'all. So we just got to get that molding. Actually, I already have a molding for it, for this back piece. And you guys got to stay tuned for this because we're going to have to drill into a brand new hood on the next time because we're going to put hood pins and cow induction emblems right here. I really wish they came with the holes for the cow induction emblems, but luckily we got that other black Chevelle here. We'll reference off of that. So you guys might want to stay tuned for that. But Sid, what y'all think? Does it still look like Grandpa's car?
Yeah.
Oh, God damn it. What
Papa.
what do we need? We need some, what do we need? Some 22s or what do we need?
I say some staggered 20s.
Something. We need something. So it's a start, but I don't know. What do you guys think with just the black hood, leaving in the black hood? It almost look straight like dragster kind of style, huh?
Toretto.
Huh, for real. Not bad though, not bad. You guys, let me know what y'all think. Let me know if you guys have any better ways of putting hoods on because I ain't no body guy. You guys already know I ain't about that style. I'm about putting engines in, wiring, you name it. But body and paint, not never. But Sid, I think we did a hell of a job.
I think we did great, brother.
And you guys already know, stay wrenching.